Now coming back to a little bit of COVID things, what we've seen in the last 1 year or so, all of us have been at home, all of us have been confined to homes. And if you read, the divorce rates have gone up. This lockdown has led to a lot of breakdowns. Made families have broken, husband and wife have separated. The relations also with the family, with the children, with husband and wife, with parents and children have changed in different ways. So, can you please enlighten us and tell us a little more on how we can improve these interpersonal relationship? Because we are now, even as doctors, spending sometimes more time at home in a way, because we have our routine work is not there, and even our family sometimes not used to seeing us so much at home because we've been working 16, 18 hours a day. But because of the COVID and because of orthopedic nature, which directly doesn't deal with that, we have got time. And but this time sometimes has been counterproductive. So the relations have been disturbed, and we are seeing the numbers. So can you, Sister Shivani, please enlighten us on how we can improve these relations?
A relation between two people, a husband, a wife, a parent, a child, a sibling, any two people, is actually an energy exchange between two souls. So, my mind and your mind, this is a relationship, which means what I think about you and what you think about me is the energy exchange that will happen, and that will create a relationship. Then, what we speak to each other and what we behave with each other. So, our thoughts, words, and behavior come into a relationship. What happened during lockdown? Now, see, COVID is a physical health issue. Why would it affect relationships? No, so we should also think about it. First time in our life, we got to spend so much time with our family, which we always wanted, which we had been like praying for that we should get this much time. But when we were at home, because of all this situation also, and we were not taking care of mind, both the people are saying fear and anxiety is normal, getting stressed is normal. So if two stressed minds, two anxious minds will interact with each other, they are not going to be in their best ability to be able to adjust, to be able to accept, to be able to respond peacefully, because they are disturbed.
Right.
Now, all that we need to do is these two minds, or even if both the minds don't want to do, one mind. One out of the two minds needs to start practicing the lifestyle that we discussed today. That means one mind needs to start taking care of their mind. And when you start taking care of your mind, you're not critical, you're not judgmental, you respond nicely even if the other person has made a mistake. Your ability to accept people becomes higher because you are stronger. So when your fitness level here increases, the way you will interact with people will change completely. Relationship will become beautiful. The most complicated relationships, people who are on the verge of divorce change their mind and they come back if even one out of the two starts taking care of their mind. So relationships are here.
Yeah.
One person out of the two needs to take care of their mind, relationship will change.